Hi, we're going to look at capturing the screen, or screen capturing, or screenshotting, however you want to look at it, on three different computers or three different computer types. We're going to start with the Chromebook, go to the Mac, and then go to Windows. So what we're going to look at first here is the Chrome. You can see the Chrome keyboard or the Chromebook keyboard on the screen. There's up on the top here, there's a screen changer, screen switcher window up top here. Sometimes it's F5, depending on what kind of Chromebook we have. But what you do is you take two keys and you put them together. You press Control and the screen switch window, and what it does is it puts those two together and screen captures whatever you have on your screen. On the Mac, you take three keys. You take the Command, the Shift, and the number 3, and it does the exact same thing that it does on the Chromebook, and that will screen capture, and that will let you paste and put wherever you want on the screen onto whatever document or program you're using. On the Windows computer, it's just two keys, but it's the Windows key and this tiny little print screen button. You take those two, same exact thing. It captures the whole screen and lets you paste it onto a document or whatever, and then you have a copy of what you're working on, and hopefully this helps you.